Welcome everyone to Magical Beginnings. I just got a brand new tarot deck in the mail today from Amazon, and I thought I would show it to you. I would let you see me take it out of the box, so if you decide to order this for yourself, you'll know what to expect. This is called the Wild Unknown Tarot Deck and Guidebook. It comes beautifully boxed in this really nice set. It is written and illustrated by Krans. Krans has a really nice website, and it's simply called kimkrans.com. Krans is Krans. And I did a little reading about her from her website. And she is an artist and an author. She lives in California. Fun fact, she likes to surf. She has her master's in fine arts, and she's currently pursuing a second master's in Jungian psychology. Now let me tell you about the price of this. So if you look at the back of it, it says USA $39.99, Canada $49.99. But Amazon does have it right now for $23.49. So $23 US dollars. If you find it for less on Amazon, it doesn't have the guidebook. It's not the set. All you'll get is the tarot deck. So the little blurb here about the tarot deck is, The Wild Unknown Tarot is a modern tarot classic, a magical journey of self-discovery illuminated by symbols and archetypes of the natural world. For the first time, this box set brings together the deck and guidebook in one lavish edition, designed by artist and author Kim Krans. Tap into higher truths and universal mysteries through the intuitive wisdom of the Wild Unknown Tarot. Okay, so let's see. How do we open this? Okay, so this just appears to come off. There we go. And then we have this gorgeous gift box. Really nice weight. Really smooth. Very pretty. Okay. Now, how do we open it? Oh, okay. So it has a magnet right here. It has a magnet opening. May you always be on the inner quest. Okay, so here we go. Here is the tarot guidebook. The pages feel like a really nice weight. Okay, so this is nice. In the table of contents, she does break things down a bit. So even if you're a beginner, she starts you right at the beginning with what to ask the cards, how to shuffle, how to cut, the different spreads, what reverse cards mean. And then she breaks down each card by suit. The major arcana. Okay, so the major arcana is the last that she goes over in this book. So let's see. Okay, so here's a really nice Seven of Cups. It shows the illustration, and then it gives the meaning. Okay, and this is the typical meaning that I would expect the Seven of Cups to have, which is illusion and deception. So, Chapter of Swords. Okay, so this is really beautiful, really nice, and nice feeling guidebook. So let's open this up. It has a nice little ribbon, so you can just pull it forward. I'm trying to do this so delicately. we go. Oops, I started to take the case right off of it. Okay, and this is what the inside of the box looks like. Just has this ribbon. Here we go. Okay, so the tarot cards come in their own box with their own little ribbon to pull them out. And the card right on top is the Ace of Wands. Very nice weight. These are really nice thick cards. Cards that are going to stand up to a lot of readings. Oh, look at this. A beautiful duck. A swan. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous owl with a sword. Another beautiful owl photo. Or illustration, I should say. Oh, look at this one. Really beautiful. Mother of Pentacles. A mother deer and a baby deer. The Emperor is that tall, majestic tree. The Hierophant. Oh, look at that. Oh, the Chariot. Look at that beautiful horse. Oh, Justice. My cats would like that. The Hermit. Oh, perfect. A turtle in a shell. That's a perfect illustration for the Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune looks like a dream catcher. No surprise, Strength is a lion. Oh, Death. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, the Devil. Look at the Devil card. Really just nicely done. Really gorgeous. I'm just skipping through a few. I'm not going to show all 78. The Sun, beautiful. Judgment. And the World. So really beautiful set. So I can't wait to start doing my readings on these. I think if you're looking for a tarot deck that is interested in the spirit, in the more natural world, with animals and nature, I think this could be a perfect deck for you. And I think it's going to come in really handy to have this guidebook. I think that'll be really nice. So I will do another video after I've done a few readings with these, and I will let you know in the comments. Please put any experiences you have had with this deck. So long for now.